Driving through Oak Creek Canyon with this big rig.
It may or may not legally be in here.
Yeah. Don't think he's supposed to be driving through here. Anything over 50 feet long. It might take us the time we're making up from the I-17 accident. Following him through this. This is a good turn for you. You can handle this one.
Some of these are much tighter than
No. I pull up the camera and now he's not going through on the other side.
I know. Completely in oncoming traffic. This is the only way he can get that long thing around these narrow spots.
Do his flashers just go on?
Yep. So yeah, there was a sign at the top of this hill that said nothing over 50 feet. And I'm pretty sure the trailer is 50 feet or 53 feet. So he's either just barely legal or he's not legal.
I think I just want to get over here. See how he does this turn.
The left turns are bad. The right turns, I think, are even worse, though. Because he's got to go swim much wider for it. He's going to get close to that guardrail in some spots. Jeez.
Oh, and a bus! Oh my gosh. Oh no. This is going to be scary. That was scary.
Yeah, it wasn't. I thought it was going to be closer than it was.
Oh,
This is going to be bad.
It's going to be a tight one. Oh, and there's a car coming. A little car coming up. Wait for that little car. There he is. I didn't see any noticeably cars coming.
Jesus Christ, I hope they're going to see him.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, he's all the way in the oncoming.
Jeez.
Why is he getting on this road?
Jeez.
Well, he's probably doing it to avoid the same accident we're trying to avoid, but I don't think this truck is supposed to be coming down this hill.
No. Jeez.
My gosh.
There goes one of those turns. And he doesn't stop and wait for those cars?
No, either he can see a heck of a...
Oh,
Oh! That looked close.
I know.
I don't know how much space is over there, but gosh, that looked close.
Jeez Louise. This is a close turn, but it's a left, not a right.
Yeah, so he can swim wide. Even when he's swinging wide, he's still... the tail end's still cutting. Maybe there's a positive to this. We're going so slow that any of the volume slowing that's up ahead of us is getting better. Oops.
Okay, here he goes on the other side again. Oh, not too bad on that one.
This is a heck of a thing to see.
Not that I have a lot of time on my phone left. I think I only have 43 seconds,
Video?
I think. And then my memory's full.
Well, hopefully we don't miss the good part. Here's where the truck went over the rail. Or took the railing out to go
Or the Mustang.
yeah, well, drove the Mustang on the side of the road.